Good evening, ma'am. Na midterm coverage. In forensic 5, the historical development and evolution of firearms. So, they have stages of development of weapon. So, may stone, clubs, knives, spear, darts, slingshot, to hurl object, bow and arrows, crossbow, gun, and missile. So in 10th century, black powder is a true without to have originated in China. It was being used in fireworks or signal. So ang sa 10th century kuno ang black powder is ginagamit sa China na yung pagpabuto sa isa ka fireworks or use na signal para sa may kalaban or may kalamidad na maabot ayon mga warning. So in 10th and 11th century, the Chinese development the Hoshang fire lance, a short-range protogun that channeled the explosive power of gunpowder through cylinder and a bamboo tube. So nga di kuno is ang bamboo yay kuno fire lance na mubo daw na range sa protogun na explosive gigamit gyapon ng gunpowder. So nga sa 13th century development of firearms followed the invention of gunpowder in Western Europe. Late 13th century hand cannon in China. So nga ko sa late 13th century um hand cannon in China. So sa late 13th century kuno is itong may mga cannon na sa yan hand cannon da yun mawidan da na cannon sa China. So in 1313 gunpowder as a propellant for a projectile. Ang gunpowder kuno is gigamit sa propellant para mobuto or ami gamit na bala sa isa ka propellant. So in 1400s the matchlock guns appear. So tungan na kunoan matchlock. Early 16th century improvement include the wheel-lock mechanism in which a spinning wheel against a metal plate showered spark into a pan holding framing powder. So nga kuno is sa 16th century is itong tunga na ang wheel-lock itong ipatuyok-tuyok nabutangan gyapon ng mga gunpowder. So in 17th century flintlock has a flint released by the trigger mechanism that strikes steel plate to shower spark into the pan filled up powder. So ang flintlock kuno is isa siya ka barrel nga pag pislit sa trigger is mo fit or mo hatag siya ng impact para mo fill itong gunpowder. So in 17th century purper box pistol use flintlock system in their barrels to be rotated by hand. So ini ko nun sa paper box ano ko nito tuyok-tuyokon na barrel na relate na marotate da sa imo kamot. So sa 1835 revolvers stock of when Samuel Colt produce his version. So ano ko sa galtinggat amo ko na itong bang ito may ligid na armas or barrel naghimo ni Samuel Cut game sa version. So in 1862 by Richard Jordan getting gun used hard crank mechanism to shoot rapid fire life machine gun. So, American kan gahin mo ng machine gun. So, 19th century assault rifle during World War II. So, ano na may ito nga itong mga assault, mga rifle na gigamit sa World War II. So, sa firearms na instrument used for the propulsion of projectile by means of the expansive force gases coming from burning gunpowder. Illegal definition of RA 10591 firearms to any handheld or portable weapon. They are a small arm or light weapon that expel or it's designed to expel bullet, shot, slug, missile, or any projectile which is discharged means force gas gunpowder and motion. So, barrel ko no isang na makareceive ayon frame or receiver non considering firearm. So, may major components ko nun firearms. So, frame, to frame, nakabutang sa, ay may frame, may magazine, release, trigger guard, stop, may front strap, back strap, hand grip. Amo ko ninin sa frame. Yaon sa frame nan pistol. Frame is the metal or full housing of the handgun which hold all parts same the body of the gun and made up the grip and trigger guard. So ang grip ko no, the grip is a part of the pistol that the shooter hold. So hand grip matugid kuno kita maghawid sa hand grip. So sa trigger guard, a protective loop that surrounding the trigger prevent the trigger from being accidentally pulled. So trigger guard ko no yung iya kanto-kanto na dapat i-trigger out or para dili mo mapislit ang isang kuan. So magazine release is in case sa pura nimo bala pwede ka mapislit nito sa imo magazine release. Trigger guard is a may kuan shield sa imo trigger na para dili mo lapusan imo kamot. So ang barrel may chamber, muzzle o in rifling and bore found inside the barrel. So ang barrel kuno is the tube of the bullet passes through route during ignition. The longer the barrel, more time propellant gases will be held to exert their energy against a bullet to produce faster muzzle velocity. Bore the interior surface of barrel, rifling lance and barrel muzzle, the front will bullet exit the barrel, chamber the gravity of the back and the barrel where the cartridge insert prior to ignition. Chambering a ground means you have made a cartridge ready to fire. So slide. So slide is my front light, trigger, red side, front side, rear side, slide cover plate, slide lock. So slide, ito siya may part ng slide lock, slide cover plate, slide. So ang action, malicious action ng slide, niya pangkasar, niya barrel, frame, recalling, spring and guide, rod. So trigger, ang ito yung piston, trigger bar, recalling, recall spring, itong pagbalik, magkasar ka, guide rod, pinning pen. So pinning pen spring, ito siya ang pagkasar nimo, extractor, sear, hammer, og safety. So sa tanang di pistola is may safety gayud na may butang kay in case of emergency. So, ano siya, rules of gun safety. Treat all guns if you always loaded. So, may treat ano mo armas na always siya yaoy bala para dili ka makakos nan yaon accident. Never let the muzzle cover anything that you are not willing to destroy. So, dili ko nimo dali pagtalib na ng muzzle kung dili niyo madali siya paggubaan ito makatalibon. So, keep your finger at the trigger target. So, dapat ko na naka-trigger out na kung pa niyo masight, then trigger in, then yung mga napabutuhon, be sure your target. So, ngunit ko na sa number 4, i-sure ko na yung target o dapat dili magbag-o. So, classification of fire according to the smooth bore firearms, that rifling lands and goes center gun barrel, rifle bore firearms.